Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kajingpli kalumpong yalakai 133rd Indian Oil Durand Cup jongga Group F kalalong kaba isyangkun ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium kaba Hapolo Shillong haka artarik unailar arjar arpesaw. Ya kani kalumpong lapli de umentri rang ba kajala ukan rat ke sangma haka bayaladan lang u Air Marshal SP Dharkar PVSM AVSM Air Officer Commanding in Chief ke Eastern Air Command but Lieutenant General Ramchandra Tiwari UYSM AVSM SM GOC in Chief ka Eastern Command bat kiwe. Kani kajingpli kani kalumpong kalalong kaba isyong kun bat pensyok bit yaki babun ki Paidbah nong petkai lingba kijingpen iya kisap Ñiah Thuk jong ka kenhun sipai rengkau kijing shat na ka Sikh Regiment bat kajing Ïashim Bynta hadu praspa Ngut ki Khynnah School haringkat kajing ruai na kinong ruai bapau kajela ka Grezel Rope Me bat ka Dapalay Ulampang bat ka Kwaya nolor kiwe pan.
Notice right in front of the VIP gallery, they will be performing. Ever tried something like Ïapbiej? Followed by Paidbah spelled the national flag in the center, the Indian Army flag on the right, and the Durand flag on the left. This is the aircraft. Note, it's launching the remember.